Hi there, I am your explainer, and today in this video, I am going to explain about most important part of our body that is handling each and every movement. The brain, that control body positions, our senses and movements. The sense the brain uses to know the body movement and positions is called as proprioception. And the sense is something like sixth sense that allow one to move freely without constantly watching the limbs. The human body consists of 78 major organs in total. Multiple organ systems are created by the coordinated actions of these organs. 5 of these 78 organs are thought to be essential for survival: the kidneys, liver, brain, heart, and lungs. Proprioception is the process by which our brain uses an intricate network of muscle sensors to get information about the position and motion of our limbs. To understand how the brain integrates the different messages it receives from the muscles, more research is necessary. In an effort to better understand how our brains integrate information about our body's location and movement, EPFL researchers studied proprioception using neural networks. Located in Lausanne, Switzerland, EPFL is a public research university. It was founded in 1969 and bills itself as a public research university with an emphasis on math, science, technology, and engineering. It is frequently listed as one of the greatest universities in the world. This is latest study by EPFL scientists, and data was shared on 2nd of April 2024. They used musculoskeletal simulators to compute the statistics of the distributed sensors. They are able to produce a repertoire of large-scale, naturalistic movement with the aid of the simulators. They train multiple task-driven neural network models on 16 computational tasks using this repertoire. Regarding the computations performed by the proprioceptive system, which is composed of the somatosensory cortex and some brainstem regions, each task represented a scientific hypothesis. This method allowed researchers to examine in detail the ways in which various neural network topologies and computational workloads affect the generation of brain-like representations of proprioceptive data. They discovered that the most efficient neural networks were those that could anticipate limb position and velocity. This shows that in order for our brains to understand how and where our bodies move, they must first integrate the dispersed information from muscle spindles. Using this method, the researchers were able to thoroughly examine the ways in which various neural network topologies and computational tasks impact the construction of brain-like representations of proprioceptive data. Little bit explanation about neural network to better understand the term. It is a group of biological neurons joined chemically by synapses to form a neural network. Numerous synapses can connect hundreds of thousands of neurons to one another. Action potentials are electrical impulses that each neuron transmits and receives with its linked neighbors. An excitatory neuron can propagate and amplify impulses it receives, or an inhibitory neuron can suppress signals. A new study led by Alexander Mathis at EPFL now sheds light on the question by exploring how our brains create a cohesive sense of body position and movement. As per him, the general consensus is that sense systems ought to take advantage of global statistics. And this hypothesis may account for a number of the characteristics of the visual and auditory systems. To summarize this theory to proprioception, they have used musculoskeletal simulators to compute the statistics of the distributed sensors. Using this musculoskeletal modeling, the researchers produced a set of large-scale, naturalistic movement repertoire by generating muscle spindle signals in the upper limb. Following that, they trained hundreds of task-driven neural network models using this repertoire. Our brain is playing role like a master, which is helping human body to sustain the high level of competency, as per the researchers. It opens up new research directions in neuroscience, since a deeper comprehension of proprioceptive processing may result in major improvements to neuroprosthetics, allowing artificial limbs to be controlled in a more instinctive and natural way. Elon Musk and company is also working on Neuralink chip, which employs tiny, flexible threads with 1024 electrodes to monitor neuron activity. Neuron activity is what drives practically all human processes. Neurons deliver messages throughout the body that can help person to send message to different parts of body to do the tasks. Scientists all around the world are giving their best to find out the ways to help humankind Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. And find out my latest video on Apple, how they are manipulating the electronic world market.